Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Sendit on Snapchat. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Snapchat, click on the Get It Here option. And just by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Using Sendit on Snapchat can be appealing for a lot of reasons because Sendit allows you to send anonymous messages to your friends on Snapchat, and this can be a fun for sharing thoughts or compliments without revealing your identity, right? Now, the thing is, Sendit can boost engagement and interaction without, of course, having the encouraging to participate by your Snapchat friends in polls or quizzes anonymously. And you can also send Sendit to gather personalized feedback or opinions from your friends without the pressure of revealing who you said what. Now, the question is, how do we use the Sendit on Snapchat? Well, it's a very straightforward process because all we have to do is simply go here. Now, once you are here, this is the Sendit app. As you can see, you will be greeted by the Ask Me Anything here, and you can change the questions, all right? And from here, you can use the different text font styles, so it'll make it like a personalized caption for you. You can use the dice option at the bottom. Okay, that's that's gonna make you revert back to its default. And the fire option, now you can also use the backgrounds here. You can choose a background for your sticker. You can use this one. Of course, you can click on the sure, but of course not now, right? Just click on the X. All right, and you can also show your sticker. You have the inbox for wherein you can get new messages. Of course, there's going to be a trophy for your icons. You can also become a diamond member and a lot more. You can get 5 responses on a Sendit. And when you click on the diamond button here, but this is only limited for the diamond members only, wherein you can reveal all your messages, who viewed you, and a lot of the options. And if you wanted to unlock it, all I have to do is click on the blue button there, and you would be able to see the pricing. Okay, and now for the search button here, these are the content creators that is currently trending on the Sendit Now platform, right? Now go back again here, and you can go to your profile again if you want to unlock any AI Andy, and once you do that, you would be able to use Sendit Now on Snapchat without any problem. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.